no, regular one.
Yo, why you bump into
What?
me, bruv?
What?
Why are you bumping into me? I'm just trying to walk down the street.
Same.
What are you looking for?
I'm looking for some risky places.
Oh, you're looking for some risky places? I got some risky places. You just gotta come with me. Wait, yo, is there anybody around here? We gotta go check. Okay,
Nah,
I don't see anybody.
I don't see
Okay.
nobody.
There's this new place that's under the construction. It's called sewers. So
I bet.
basically, what you have to do, there's a manhole over there, and all you have to do is just take the ball out of the manhole cover, and then you can easily get in sewers. You know,
Yep.
stop putting your hands under the cushion. But basically, that's all we need to do. So, are you up for the challenge? It's pretty risky down there, though. Yo, I thought you said you were gonna give me some stuff to loot up. Whatever. We can go down there alone. I don't know if they have installed the lights yet, though. Okay,
I'm
so this
pretty
is,
sure they
this
do
is the
not.
place.
It's a little sewers.
Let's take it. Ugh! Okay.
Well, was it for a place right
Oh.
here?
Well, that looks like a pretty big drop to me.
I bet. Now don't
Alright.
worry, this guy's going to be good. Woo!
You go down first.
This is a fun slide.
Oh crap. Okay. I gotta go down there too. Okay. Let's go, guys. It looks like somebody died here. Should we be worried?
Oh. Of course.
And where did you get that rocket propelled gun?
I found one on the ground before.
Huh. Well, I'm gonna take their flashlight.
Bro, I already have a. I have another flashlight.
This is pretty scary. What is that? What do I do?
Oh, turn off your flashlight.
And I can't see anything.
It's right there.
Okay, I'll show you the way. I heard that you studied the map of this place when it was available for use.
Over there.
What's that? Oh, it's so cute!
No, no.
I did not like that thing.
Yeah, I know.
Let's continue going.
I got my flashlight.
Breath. I heard that this is the scariest place. What is this thing? Alright, I'm gonna continue going.
This is a sis.
Why'd you study all of the monsters here?
Well, I really knew the monsters.
Alright, I guess we better get to farming this place, because I heard this place gives out really good rewards.
Okay. To do it.
Let's do this. Wait, yo. What is that? What is
Let me
that?
play looking like thing. Or the traffic light.
Yeah. Wait, give me that RPG. Thankfully, I was in the military for a
Just
bit,
to
so I
go
know how
like
to...
green and
Give
then
me the
stop at red.
RPG. Give me the RPG. I was in the military for a bit, so thankfully I know how to use this thing. Alright. Let's do this.
Explode. Shoot her up.
Whoa! Has a lot more recoil than I thought it would. Alright. Let's continue on.
Bet. But wait, you want to know what that player thing is?
Oh wait, there's another player in here?
But those are really not players. Those are really not
Oh!
players.
Hi! What's your name?
No, that's a mimic!
Yeah, what's your name? Yep, can
Bro,
you
his
speak?
name is Mimic.
Hello? Ah! Why is he so... Is he trying to lick me or something?
He's trying to kill you.
So what item are we even looking for in the first place?
Bro, uranium!
I'm trying to look for uranium?
I
thought you could only find that...
you in the periodic table.
I thought you could only find that underground, but... Oh well. Let's continue.
But uranium is not underground. Yeah!
Alright, let's continue moving then.
Pumpkin!
Oh, look at these pink ores. I'm gonna throw this grenade at him. Like the pin. I didn't hit any of them. I guess I can just try mining them with my bat.
But wait, God, what's this? Stop, I hear something. I hear
Oh, what is
evil.
that?
Oh, good.
Guys. What is that? We gotta deal with it. But how do we deal with it? Do I hit it with my bat? Alright, I think this is the place we need to go.
I bet.
Alright. Alright, you jump down first.
3, 2, 1. Yippee!
Alright, I think this is the way we need to go.
Bet.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah, this is the way.
Big jump. I'm gonna jump down and be cut. Alright, we gotta make this jump here too. Oh my god. You could hurt yourself if you go down here too hard. Alright. Let's do this. Rescue your gorilla, get up. Let's do this. Then we're gonna jump over here. That was a hard jump, Rescue gorilla. Stay right there. Gorilla,
Ed.
let's do this jump.
You good, bro?
That jump hurt. Alright. Rescue gorilla, come on. Let's head up here. Alright. Alright, we need to jump down there. Alright, let's do this. Risky gorilla.
There's still more trouble there.
Alright. Risky gorilla, you sure this is safe to go through?
Yep.
Alright, let's head on.
Yep, run for your life!
Alright, okay, wait. We gotta re-record. Come on. Alright, let's continue going. Alright, Risky gorilla, you just gotta jump and risk it for the biscuit. Run, Risky gorilla!
I'm already there.
Action. Ugh. My god, Risky gorilla, we made it back!
Yep!
But you should bring this to the selling machine.
Yep!
Probably sell for a lot of money.
Right there!
Alright,
Good.
Risky gorilla. Let's sell this.
Even though I have like a little like a something, I still can survive multiple maps. From the bird.
Okay. Yeah. No, that was a lot of money. We should do that again.
It's still not enough to buy me a gravel.
Alright, guys. That is the end of the movie. I'm Gilbert. He's, Risky Gorilla, or like, I forgot his other name. But, basically, yeah, that's the end of the movie. The quest for the uranium. There should be another movie coming out soon, but
It's called
I don't know.
It's called the
Dive to the vents.
task.
The dive to the ventilations, or something like that.
Perfecto.
Bye, guys. I heard of a place that's called sewers. It's under construction right now. But, you wanna know what else is under construction? Mountains. And you know why mountains are under construction? Because of this guy.
You're me.
Mr. Grinch! Wait,
Alright.
where'd you get that grenade?
I don't know, but I really am going to.
Alright, just
explore
don't
this place
throw
out.
it down after I go down.
Oh, sure, Papa.
Stanky in there. I hope he stays in there. And stay in! Here, give me the shotgun! Alright, 3.
Welcome back, Bond.
Yeah, he's over there. Let's like head up here and lead him over.
Well, you both gotta come back now. Wait, but boy, at the end, we're
Okay.
gonna have poopers.
Oh, I'm so okay. Action. Okay, give me your flashlight. Give me your flashlight.
I'll give you another one. I'll give me another one if you want.
Okay. Okay. I'm gonna put it right here. Holy!
That definitely scared me a lot.
Nope. I don't think it was safe. Did you die?
It's still back.
Where is he?
He's that area. But look, he does. The exit is right there.
Should we just run?
The
Alright.
pond.
Put the bubble gun. Put the bubble gun down. Oh, where? Okay. Okay. Right here. All right.